welcome back, friends. And this week, Prime Minister had a very big agenda. He went to Glasgow for G20 meeting. I mean, he went to Italy for a G20 meeting. After that, he went to Glasgow for COP26. And the next day, he came back, went to Kedarnath, and he announced many activities there. But I think the biggest attraction in Kedarnath is the statue which he has unveiled, and it's a Adi Shankaracharya statue. So before I actually get on to the actual statue part, let me tell you who's Adi Shankaracharya for the benefit of viewers. See, Adi Shankaracharya is a person who hailed from Kerala, and so not covering the entire story. There's a very long story, but he actually established the Shivite movement, and he actually created the he became an inspiration, very knowledgeable person. He was respected by all kings and people, by and large, across the length and breadth of India, and he traveled across India, and wherever he went, he actually, in the four corners of India, he actually set up the Adi Shankaracharya Mutt, where today these are some of these prominent religious places. And Adi Shankaracharya gave a lot of wisdom and lot of knowledge to people. And finally, at a very young age, he passed away, Kedarnath, where he took samadhi. So samadhi is another method of going another life, or punarjanam, as in Hindi. It's about going to the next journey of yours after death. So instead of cremating the dead person, in case these are very enlightened soul, and there is a method defined in Hinduism where they can samadhi inside in a pit, and they can actually, there's a process, there's a whole lot of process and procedure to take a samadhi. So samadhi, and this place where he took samadhi is called Kedarnath. So as you know that in 2013 there was a major flood in India that washed away most of the establishment in and around the Kedarnath temple, and including the Adi Shankaracharya old statue that was also washed away in the flood. So a lot of activities have been going on. Lot of redevelopment programs have been running in Kedarnath, and in fact, I will talk about the redevelopment in the next story after the break. But this in this section, we'll talk about the Adi Shankaracharya statue, which was inaugurated. This new statue was inaugurated by PM Modi in Kedarnath just 2 days back. And the salient feature of this statue is very interesting, because this is a 12 feet high statue, and it has been created by a very well known, well established artisan from Karnataka, and this is made of a stone which is very resilient to weather, so sun, water, and other wind, erosion, and all that. Very hard, very sturdy rock using which this statue has been created, and it's 12 feet high. As you can see, it's a big statue. Before the statue was the sculpting of this statue was undertaken, 9 different designs were presented to the government of India, and eventually all these 9 designs reached PM Modi bureaucracy, and finally he actually chose this design. And as you know, many of you may be knowing that Modi, during his young time, he had spent almost like 3 years in Kedarnath area trying to find answers why we are, etc., and many more questions he be having in his mind. So he went on a life like a hermit in Kedarnath when he was young. So he has a very strong bond with this area, and that is why he actually decided that the statue of Adi Shankaracharya, Guru Adi Shankaracharya, has to be like this, and this is now installed in Kedarnath. I think it's very, very interesting, very detailed. And if you can see, this is minutest of the details have been captured in this sculpture. It's amazing. I think it's really amazing. I am now waiting for Corona pandemic lockdown related issue, or even the pandemic related issue to go away in the past, so that we can freely move around and go without any risk to Kedarnath and have a darshan of Lord Shiva, and also get to see the statue of Adi Shankaracharya ji. So I think this is amazing. This is something which is quite heartening to see that the reconstruction of the Kedarnath township is going on, and in a very modern way. So don't go anywhere, friends. I will join back and give you more information of what is going on in Kedarnath.